Building an email list with Mailchimp involves several strategic steps to capture and grow your audience. Here's how to do it. Sign up and log in. Visit Mailchimp's website and sign up or log into your account. Create an audience. Go to the Audience tab and click Create Audience if you don't have one already. Fill in the details like audience name, default email address, and from name. Design sign-up forms. Under Audience, select Sign Up Forms and choose the type of form you want to create. Customize the form fields and design to match your branding. Add forms to your website. Embed the form on your website by copying and pasting the HTML code provided by Mailchimp. Alternatively, use Mailchimp's WordPress plugin to add the form to your site. Promote your sign-up form. Share the form on social media, in your email signature, and through other marketing channels. Offer incentives like discounts, free resources, or exclusive content to encourage sign-ups. Collect emails offline. Use Mailchimp's mobile app to collect emails at events or in-store. Manually add collected emails to your audience. Use landing pages. Create dedicated landing pages within Mailchimp to drive traffic and capture sign-ups from specific campaigns or ads. Engage with new subscribers. Set up welcome emails and automation to nurture new subscribers and keep them engaged.